Pharmacists don't want me to tell you this. You don't have to take drugs to get better. Here are my top 5 secrets for natural healing. Number 1. If you have a headache, apply a few drops of peppermint essential oil to your temples and massage gently. Peppermint has analgesic properties that can effectively relieve headaches. Number 2. If you have a cavity, dilute a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of lukewarm water, and use this mixture as a mouth rinse after brushing your teeth. Number 3. If you have pollen allergies, take a tablespoon of local honey every morning. Honey contains small amounts of pollen, which can help your body get used to allergens. Number 4. If you have acne, cut a tomato into thin strips and apply it to your face for about 20 minutes. Tomatoes are packed with minerals and antioxidant vitamins such as vitamin A and C. And the last. If you suffer from insomnia, infuse a handful of dried chamomile flowers in hot water and drink this tea before going to bed to benefit from its soothing and relaxing properties. Subscribe to discover more.